McAlpine have brought out two traps which is very useful for housing associations and maintenance products within the range, especially in replacement work where you have an 1¼ inch pipe coming out through the wall and it can't be changed because it's already been embedded in the wall. We've introduced the BK1 and the BK2 traps. These have adjustable stocks, so it can catch anything at any height coming out through that wall and complete. It's a 75mm water seal. It also has a clicker waste, which is completely removable for maintenance. Now, the ideal thing about this is this does a basin with an overflow and without an overflow in one. So you're not having to stock a slotted grating and an unslotted grating to do your job. It's a quality stainless steel ferrule. Which comes apart. The seal goes back onto the face, and if you're using a standard basin with an overflow, all you simply do is that you take that section out and put this back together again with your ferrule and your connection, and that there does overflow on the basin. The BK2 is the very same. It's got an adjustable stock, so it catches the height coming out through the wall. It also does overflow and non-overflow by simply removing the spacers that I've shown in the BK1. It's a domed over waste, the same, so you're getting a certain seal on every occasion. This is a dry fix. It requires no silicone or no sealants to be used. A complete dry fix and can be fitted in minutes. Again, removable. And that's McAlpine BK1 and BK2.